I was born when apples and blackberries were just a fruit. People met and spoke, didn't just have WhatsApp groups. When the oceans and seas were as blue as the sky, and the sky was so clear that birds could freely fly. I was born when the trees didn't regret they couldn't move because they didn't feel the threat they would be removed. When animals had right to live as freely as we do, without animals' right, movements to fight for their due. I was born when air was crisp, not just short. The oceans was not dumped with all of that dirt. Plastic was rare and so were plastic smiles. Everything was real and the soil was fertile. I was born when the earth and nature were called mothers, treated with the utmost respect and love. What to speak of others? Pollution was a term, maybe used for thoughts. Clean water, food, air was not a luxury to be sought. I was born when the green was a color for a grass and trees, not for a buildings, councils, conference and committees. When passion and compassion went hand in hand. We cared for all, whether the life, land or sand. What have we done to the world as a human race? Run our natural resource simply to keep up our pace. We have used our smart brains for a lot of gain by creating smartphones and smart trains. Our touch screen have put us in a touch with one and all. But have we lost touch with our mother nature and could that be the start of our downfall? With the artificial intelligence we try to fix everything. Could we also use our intelligence to fix our surroundings? I wonder if it is all just a dream now. Can we ever go back to the time? The question is how. Let's not keep selflessness a word in the dictionary. Let's care for all life, surely not a thought so revolutionary. Why should natural environment just be a holiday destination? Why not start the cleanup where we live and recreate the fascination? One less plastic bag used daily. Is it all that hard? Few minutes of air condition switched off every now and then can bring us a great reward. Can we walk if it is a short distance or just a bike? Avoid a driving our car and add to the carbon spike. Can we use a paper springly and possibly recycle the one we do? And try to protect our trees if we can't plant a new? Can we stop using animals for our convenience? They have feeling too. If we were not be used by others, how would we feel and what we do? It is probably not all that late and green is not just about a revolution. It is the most vital aspect for our survival and our evolution. Let's all work to make the world a better place. Let's conserve so we can gift our future generation a life that they deserve. Let's not forget that we are just temporary occupant in a permanent place. Let's responsible resident and start living with grace. Thank you. Thank you for listening.